haven't gone anywhere because we've been really busy. So we're going hiking. Honestly speaking, I'm not a big fan of hiking at all, but we'll see when we get there. Oh my god! It's my chin lamp. Whoa, whoa! Whoa! Guys, we're almost here. We finally got here after an hour drive. The view is really beautiful. Just gonna show you guys the view. The road was so rough that it reminded me of Chinland because, you know, there are lots of rocks on the road. I guess it's all for safety reasons, but we made it. Can't wait to climb up the mountain and see the view from the top. See you guys. Look, I think we're gonna climb up there. We're currently here. Someone help! Guys, oh my god, it is so pretty. The view is stunning. Oh, guten Tag. Yes. Spray? Yeah. You can. Oh. Okay, hit him, she. Whoa. No left. Keep right. Yes. Keep right. Okay. Go. Okay. No. Oh my goodness. Guys, it hasn't even been 5 minutes since we walked. It's a bit tiring. Hey, Mama is having water break. Okay. Go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Mama, flowers. Nice.
Ready?
Ready?
Okay. Go.
Okay.
Pocky.
Ready?
Yes, ready.
Go.
Okay.
Wait.
Who is that? We're finally here at the first lookout. Ooh, wow, look at that. Chị thôi có cùm cho mày. Cool. Look at this. Oh my god. Wow, look at the view. Wow. After an hour of walking. Oh. Yên lại đấy. Mama ơi.
弄干很弄跟那个干。ง่ายเลยให้น้องก็อาจจะง่ายเลยให้น้องก็ไม่เตะให้น้องต้องถึงเจ้าช่องไม่เตะเนี่ยจะทำไม่เตะงานค่ะ
Guys, oh my god, the track is so pretty.
Unless โกยันโด
Goyanda.
okay พี่น้องทายแล้วไม่เสียงกันยังรู้จักอยู่ใส่หิ้งตัว
我们可以去看梦。你那个。làm tiền cái này nữa.
Hi guys, we're currently on our way back down to the car park, and oh my god, it was so exhausting. It's really hot, but the view is stunning. Like, look at the view. Oh, okay, that feels really nice. Oh my god. It took us, I think, about 2 hours to get up the trek, and it has taken us about 45 minutes to come down. We still have a bit of a way to go, but bro, must be so nice to touch the water right now. Look how pretty the flowers are. Look. They're so pretty. And there's more on this side as well. Yeah! We finally made it back to the car park. And we're gonna get some stuff before we head to the beach. Hey! Bro. It's about 15 minutes walk to the beach. It's really hot. My legs are burning. Ah! Freaking hot. It's burning. Oh. The amount of torture we had to go through just to see this view. Oh my god. My sister is at the back struggling. Look at that. So look at his footprint. Ah! Okay. Guys, look how stunning. We're on our way back.